Hello friend, welcome to the Accuweb.Cloud video tutorial. Today we will see how to create load alerts for server resources in the Accuweb.Cloud Dashboard. What is the use of load alert in Accuweb.Cloud Dashboard? To monitor your app's usage and resource needs, you can set up automatic alerts. These alerts will email you if your app uses more or less of a specific resource than a certain percentage during a specific time. Let's see how to create an alert for server resources in Accuweb.Cloud Dashboard. First, log into your Accuweb.Cloud Dashboard. Select the environment where you want to set load alerts for server resources such as RAM, CPU, disk space, and cloudlets. Here, we have selected the environment WordPress.us-Accuweb.Cloud as an example. Then click on the settings icon. Once you click on it, the setting window will open below. Go to the Load Alerts option and click on it. You might see some present triggers automatically included when creating your environment. If these triggers are there, they will alert you when your computer's RAM, CPU, disk space, nodes, or network usage are nearing the limits set by the system. In the Tool panel, you can click buttons to interact with alerts. You can add a new alert, or edit, remove, or enable/disable the ones already there, including the default triggers. You can also refresh the list of alerts using a specific button. If you want to create your own trigger, click the Add button. In the Add Alert window that appears, provide the following information. In the Name field, give a name to your notification trigger. Here, we have entered Memory Usage Alert as an example. In the Nodes field, choose the type of node in your environment to which the trigger applies. In the Whenever field, select the type of resources the trigger will monitor, such as cloudlets, memory, CPU, network, external in and out, network, external out, storage, disk space, disk I/O, disk IOPS, and nodes. Here, we have selected memory as an example. In the IS field, specify the condition for the trigger to activate, indicating whether the resource usage should be above or below a certain percentage or MBPs. In the For At Least field, set the time period before the trigger activates. In the Notification Frequency field, decide how long to wait before sending repetitive messages. Here, we have selected 1 hour as an example. Once you've chosen your preferred settings, click the Add button. Once you set up and turn on an alert, it will appear in the list with the name you chose earlier. So, whenever the resource usage goes above or below the percentage you specified based on the condition and within the specified time, the system will send you an email. The email will include the current resource usage, suggestions on the issue, and a direct link to adjust the scaling limit for that node. Triggers Execution History. You can check the history of triggers actions for the nodes in a specific environment by going to its settings. Go to the History tab and click on it. The Load Alerts notification type will be selected automatically. Use the Period drop-down to choose the time interval for viewing alerts, day, week, month, or custom, where you can manually set the required dates. You'll see a list of activated alerts during the chosen period. It includes details like date and time when a trigger was activated, name of the alert, type of nodes the alert was set for, condition for alert activation, outcome of the alert, success or failure, indicating if a notification was sent. Click on a specific load alert to see its details on the right. This includes resource usage level at the time of alert activation with the amount of cloudlets consumed. Action taken after the alert was activated, in this case, sending a notification. This way, you can set up alerts and be informed about changes in your application's load. That's all. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. Click on the thumb to like our video. Don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification of new videos.